Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is August the 14th, 2019. Here to give you all a very quick update for Bitcoin paired against the dollar. Seeing that the market has taken a dump today in the space, I thought we'll come in and give you all an update from our original analysis of what we expected Bitcoin to do, being fully transparent with you all on what we expect the market to do and how it played out against our forecast. The only place to where you're gonna get full transparency when we get trades right, when we get predictions right, or even when we get predictions wrong, you all will see how the market played against our original analysis. And this is one such instance to where Bitcoin didn't do according as what we planned. We had this price target right here in the market for Bitcoin ever since the 16th of July, expecting it to continue to move to the downside. And even when we did our update video on July 31st, we were still looking for the market in Bitcoin to move to the downside. And as you can tell, it went the opposite direction, went all the way up there to $12,000. We told you in that video from the 31st that if the market did not break above $10,400, that we wasn't going to change our analysis. And the day that the market in Bitcoin changed or closed above $10,400 was right here on the 1st of August. So that would have been a day that we would have changed our analysis of Bitcoin moving lower to one of moving higher in price. And if you were to take it from there to the high of $12,000, that would have been a profit of about 17%. Okay, but it didn't play out that way. We were looking for the market in Bitcoin to move lower. It didn't play out. So as always, part of trading, just go ahead and get rid of it. And you just move on to the next profitable trade. That's all you have to do. And what I'm going to do now to make this chart nice and clean, I'm going to get rid of this ascending line. And now you can tell here that we have a clean chart. Okay. You can see here, if I was to draw a line, that the market in Bitcoin is still showing, for the most part, an upward trend. Okay. This is still the trend in the market for Bitcoin. We are still showing the ability to move higher, even though we did got some small moves to the downside occurring in Bitcoin. Okay, so by this coin being down 6% right now, obviously you can tell that the market, with the amount of volume that came in today, that the movement to the downside is still anticipated. Okay, so that's what we're going to forecast in the market for Bitcoin is going to be for this market to move lower. You can already tell right here that the market in Bitcoin is going to try to hold some support. That's why we're coming off the lows right now in Bitcoin. Okay, so we could hold that there because this area can be a support area in the market for Bitcoin. But considering that the market over the last couple of days, let's say week and a half, we have been seeing a lot of weakness bars appear for Bitcoin. And this support area that I've just drawn, $10,000, 10,100, is in jeopardy of being broken to the downside, considering the amount of volume today, as well as where we are at right now in this current daily price bar. So the expectation is still for Bitcoin to move to the downside. I'm going to bring down this resistance area right there around $10,850 for resistance. If I see strength come in on the smaller time frames right here around this $10,000 price, I may actually go ahead and try to put in a small short-term position movement to the upside and just play the market as it's moving higher. But again, the long-term gist in the market in Bitcoin is still reflecting to us some weakness, and we're anticipating it to continue to move to the downside. This is going to be the next area of support in the market for Bitcoin, right here to where we got this double bottom right here, around $9,200. Okay, I'm already seeing videos and articles come out saying that the market in Bitcoin can hit around $6,000, $6,800. I'm not seeing that just yet, but again, given today's market action across the whole cryptocurrency space, likely that we're going to see a continuation of move lower in price. So this is our expectations in the market. This is definitely a change occurring today in the overall cryptocurrency space. So you can tell as well on the weekly chart that the market in Bitcoin has been reflecting to us weakness at least over the last 2 months, we've been seeing weakness appear in the market for Bitcoin. So what we're getting today and for this current weekly bar is not a surprise. Okay, so the long-term move in the market in Bitcoin is still going to show weakness and movement to the downside. Okay, so we got our prediction, our forecast in the market for this token right now, this coin, and now all we have to do is see how the market plays out. All right, if you do appreciate the content that we are delivering here on YouTube, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, and as well, go ahead and like and share these videos and join us at our website at HueFinancial.com. In the meantime, make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will talk to you all later.